The reason we have not been on YouTube for a few weeks now is because we've been working on a whole buttload of things.
Hi.
Oh yeah.
Hi, hello.
I even forgot how to say hello. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to chat with you again.
Before anything else,
today is such a big day. It's huge. A lot of you know by now that Eamon and I love food, we love cooking, and that we've been working on a cookbook. Well, today, as this video is live, you guys can officially support us by ordering the book at eamonandbeck.com. Is it available? Have I already said that? Okay. Today we have neatly packaged up 52 of our staple beloved recipes for you guys. It's available at eamonandbeck.com, and we want to do something good with this book. So $1 of every book purchase is going to be donated towards local food banks and charities.
And we actually found some veg and vegan food banks in Canada, so we're going to spread the money evenly and maybe make some content about giving back to these communities, which will be awesome.
Do you guys want to have a little sneak peek at the book?
Teaser?
Who's going to show them? Me or
Teaser
you?
vibes.
Me or you? Me or you? Me or you?
You go ahead, baby.
Okay. This is our book. And we've got little blurbs, a little bit about our vegan stories, and then our beautiful contents page is super interactive, so you can click on any one and it'll take you right to the recipe. You can go back to all of the recipes. We've got desserts in here. I know you guys are...
A majority of our entrees are one pot certified.
Oh, let's show them some of the one pot
certified. Go to the mushroom
certifieds.
stroganoff.
Mushroom stroganoff, all in one pot. And you will know what's a one pot recipe with our little one pot stamp. So yeah. Anyways, we hope you guys are excited about that ebook, or as excited as we are. We are like over the moon. I'm like so proud of you.
I'm very, very proud of you and carving out a time. And you know, it's kind of a hard decision for us to put YouTube on hold for as long as we did, because
super hard.
We were just so consistent and seeing growth, and so it was a big decision for us to sacrifice that and put together something, but we are so thrilled that we did it and just smashed it. Throughout the past 2 weeks, we woke up every other day, it felt like, and said, hey, let's try and get a vlog in today, let's try and film something. They did not turn out to be videos, but here's kind of what we shot. Well, you didn't even explain the other thing that's crazy that's going on. Yeah, well, before we shoot that.
Before we share that, in case any of you are new around here or you don't know, Eamon and I have a tea company as well. And with that tea company, we only do one really big show per year, and it's coming up. It starts tomorrow.
Thursday.
Yeah, they're seeing this on Wednesday. It's starting tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we've made thousands of bags of tea.
6,000 bags, hand-stamped, hand-packed.
Yeah.
I don't think people, I think they'll graze over that a little bit, but it's a lot. It's
we
a lot
hand make everything. We actually put raw, fresh ginger root in the tea. We peel the tea. We peel the ginger.
They don't peel tea.
You know what I mean, guys? It's a lot of it's a labor of love. Our tea company is a labor of love, which is why we weren't able to document as much over the past 2 weeks. But this show is so awesome. We're so excited for it. It's gonna be 11 days, like I said. And yeah, what you said.
Let's roll some clips.
Let's roll some clips.
The clips are fun. One before second, 1 minute here, hold on. Big shout out to Christian and Aubrey, the Matinees. They have journeyed down from Texas to help us out for the show. They were there last year. And they are just hustlers. So it was super fun to have them along for the ride.
It's not even over, it's just beginning. Let's get real.
Bye.
No, not bye. We'll see. Like,
okay, well, just overall.
Okay, so here's what we've been up to. Enjoy the videos, and yeah. We're just installing some new shelves. Probably can't hear me out here.
We got 3 white Sprinter vans at the shop. What we're doing is we're putting cross beams from this section over to there, and it's just gonna rest on top of that platform. But a little oversight, which we didn't realize, is in order to get that beam in, we're gonna have to pull this out a little bit. So it's not the end of the world, but the concerning factor is we've got 1,000 glass canisters up here, And if we try and jerk the shelving unit, you could run into disasters. Why are you going up there?
Get down, get down. No, don't do that, Bob. Whoa. If one of them
I know.
scooches and
I know.
the other doesn't,
I know.
destroy.
Game over.
Well, I wasn't scooching anything. All I was doing is, Bob, it's just gonna go like this. This is where it's gonna go. And you're gonna push it in first if you can. The bottom one's not in yet. Okay, Amy, can you twist it like this? Bang, down.
What's your game there? Just go 2 hands here and up.
Do you have what?
Here, like I did. Just up. Just go. Just go. Just up. Just come on.
Like on my leg, dude.
Jump in hand here or no?
If he's not comfortable, don't
He is. He's Post Malone.
That's a perfect throw.
Do you guys want to go to the gym later, or is this enough?
Maybe we should just go work in a warehouse for fun, dude. we could just bring these down and buy.
From downtown, new storage zone.
Yeah.
Short, bro. Watch the flowers.
Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, November 12th, which means we have 10 days to get everything ready for the biggest trade show of the year. And also on top of that, get our podcast out today.
And shoot a cover photo.
Shoot a cover photo for our ebook. And
It's here.
well, that's so weird. What happened with that, you think?
So the past 2 days have been brutal. Our heater wasn't working, and so we had temporary solution last night to bring the electric heater in, which is basically like bringing the entire sun into your van. And then all of a sudden that heater stops working in the middle of the night, and I wake up and I give this old girl a little 1-2 pusheroo, and she fires right up.
It's so weird. I was sleeping in, as you guys can tell, I'm sleeping in like such fleece, and I have my socks on in like 10 layers. And then and then the sun was gone, which is...
Yeah, I shut the sun off.
Are you going into my drawer?
Yeah, I was hoping I could find some socks.
I don't have any socks for you in my drawer. Anyways, the heater was on our list of things to do today, but now can we say it's fixed?
We could say it's working.
Little assembly line, putting together some kits.
He's making the boxes, and the pots are all laid out. Eamon's putting the pot in. I grab one of our stainless steel strainers, canister, and close.
This is timeout status. You're basically sitting on the mesh.
Whole new level of supervisor here, dude.
Here, grab the plug.
You're done hanging out together.
What?
Yeah.
Mom?
Gym anymore, huh?
Yes, we are.
You trust yourself?
As you may or may not be aware, we have been on the line like a racehorse running around a track non-stop for 3 weeks. We got B.O.B. coming through. How you doing, Bob? How are you?
Stealing away.
Absolutely seal master. We're gonna go from the opposite side. So the boxes there are all full of product. Bob's throwing it in the box. And we got Puffer McPuff Puff.
I'm sort of a puff and a shimmier. Shimmy and a puff. Tell how you shimmy. Yeah, shimmy.
Why did we switch to the old packaging?
Just some poor estimating and poor looking into the crystal ball this year. Hey, Bob? Bob and I did some projections and we were wrong, so that's good.
And then we've got the dream team dressed in black on black, looking at flyer Denna. Beep.
Thank you. Also pouring perfect cups right now.
So, is this all hand weighed, Post?
Oh, it is, man, 1 by 1.
Scoopy scoopy?
Yep, scoopy scoopy.
Weigh,
And
weigh.
I'm weighing a little heavy hand. Don't tell the bosses. A little heavy.
So if you order a 150 gram bag,
if I weighed it, you'll get a little bonus chai.
how much do you think? An extra, probably 10 grams.
10 G's probably.
Wow.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I'm
Working hard.
Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste.
We did not show you much of building the booth this year. If you guys were following along our journey last year, we took you guys through designing a 10 by 10 space. This year we tried to use the same walls, but we have a 15 by 5 space. You want to show them around?
Sure. So we had to make a couple adjustments. So we basically had the same 8-foot walls, but we had to make it longer. We decided to put the shelves in the middle, go for more of a symmetrical vibe, and I think it looks even better. And it's a little bit tight. We're going to...
Feeling extremely proud of everything that we've been able to accomplish.
Okay, time to load. We've got dead mouse absolutely full tilt. Alexa is killing it on the dead mouse vibes. And now it is time to tear down the booth, get it into the van. And it's freezing. We've chose like the coldest day of the year to do this. And there you have it. We've got a full van. I'll show you. Actually, not even that full, but we're not gonna put the product in there because it will freeze. But that's basically the booth. The booth is done. That's an extra piece that we had. We're not forgetting it. This stuff we're gonna load in the morning. Look at the square footage we got in here, eh, bud?
Well, let's play some balls. We actually could now, couldn't we?
Yeah, we could.
Good morning, everybody. I am sitting here editing today's video, feeling so excited and proud and excited, and I realized we didn't have an outro. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for continually supporting Eamon and I and allowing us to go after these big goals and dreams. I am beyond grateful for this little family here on YouTube. Hope you're having a great day. If you're interested in shopping our cookbook, it'll be linked in the description below, along with our tea company in case you want to check that out. Okay, until next time, thank you so much. Love you guys.